Hi, Riley. What is that? Wow, you have plenty of gifts. Oh, wow, Riley. Wow.
Always opening all of my gifts. I wanted to finish all of my.
What are you gonna say to all
What
the
is
people
this?
who gifted
What is
you
this?
with toys, clothes?
What's another one?
What's that? Open it. Who owns that? Riley. Who gave you that one? Wow!
Barbie.
Wow! Another Barbie? Another Barbie shoes?
Yeah.
Wow! Show it to the camera, Be. Be. Wow! Very, very nice. Be. Show it ba? Show it. Be. Wow! Super nice ba?
Who just put this here?
Mm-hmm.
I never seen another boot before. It was here all along.
Tayo, ihatag ko tayo. Kato tayo. Katong...
Another one because
Kato dito tayo.
I got a lot of
Tayo, kato ito.
presents.
Kasi man, may modern kitchen na ay dako dito.
And so
Ito na.
excited to open my presents.
Okay. You want me to help you? Kana tayo, kana. Dili ka nang naka-gift lang gid siya. Gift wrap. Kanang taas na naka... No, kana. Riley, that one first. I think you will be so surprised. Open that one.
Oh, yes, I know.
Yeah. Open it.
I'm so surprised because I got a lot of presents.
Okay, go.
I've never seen so much people giving me so much presents.
Yeah, you have lots of it. Oh, wow. Oh, look, oh. There pa, oh. Over there in that box. And there, oh. And that box also. Okay, open it. You want daddy to help you?
Tomorrow na open.
Kana lang.
What
Look,
is-
turn. Awa, turn. Lady. Start. Open it.
Wow.
Open it.
Piano?
Really?
Open it.
Oh. That is so nice.
Wow.
Really? What about the color?
Hab- Open it. Open the box. Open.
Blue.
What's the color?
Okay, open the box. Sarap mo.
Wow.
Naaaring siya lang.
Wow.
Eh,
What do you think is the color of the keyboard?
Be? What do you think is the color of that keyboard?
Give that,
Are you sure?
right?
Open it. Wow.
I think it's black.
No, I like pink.
But
Yeah.
what if it's black? I think that's black. Because the picture... Oh, look at the picture. It shows that it's black, not pink. And we hope it's pink.
Very hard. You need to.
You want help? No.
I want help.
Help daw, Dad.
This is crazy. Mom, you know, Mikey said that the world is crazy because there's so many diamonds and so many emeralds. See, it's pink.
Oh!
Wow.
Wow!
See, I told you.
So nice.
I want to see the music.
Yeah, you have to plug it.
How can I do this?
Tomorrow now, okay? Let's continue unboxing tomorrow because everyone is so tired. Right?
Wow, pink. The color of organ is very nice. The favorite of Randy.
Okay, Rai, let's go. Say good night.
Good night.
Say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.
Look at the camera first.
Bye-bye.
Then, when are you gonna continue unboxing your gifts? Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. Good night.
Good night.
Are you happy?
Don't mosquitoes.
Are you happy?
You enjoy
Okay, good
the
night
laugh?
na.